We're going to show you how to do the weekly maintenance on your infinity shower. Step 1 is turn on your traditional shower with the hot and cold handles fully open. Step 2 is press the infinity shower button. Step 3 is take your infinity CleanCycle solution and add 8 drops to the shower pan. After you add the CleanCycle, you're going to let the water recirculate for at least 30 seconds. And this CleanCycle is going to protect the plumbing, minimize calcium buildup and any sludge buildup, and also help reduce odors. Step 5. While you're in infinity mode, you're going to remove the micron filter, and that is this clear bowl with the blue micron filter inside. It is totally fine to remove this while the system is running because the filter is on the suction side of the system and it's not pressurized. So when you remove it, air is going to enter the system. The pump is designed to be able to be run dry, and that's exactly what we're going to do in the next couple steps. Step 6 is to purge water from the system. So it's actually going to happen pretty immediately, but what we want to do is go all the way cold with the line. So all the way cold and let the water come out of the shower head. And then we're going to turn off the cold and we're going to go all the way hot. When you go all the way hot, you should get about another cup of water and let it run for about 15 to 20 seconds until only air comes out of the shower head. Another tip, if you have a shower head with a wand like this or a hose, you can also remove it here, especially if you're going to be storing the vehicle. This is totally a great way to get all the water out of the line. Step 7 is we're going to turn off the shower here. So we're going to close these handles, then press the infinity button to turn off the infinity shower. Step 8 is going to be cleaning the filters. What you can simply do is remove the micron filter from its housing. There may be some dirt in the bowl itself. We can also use a brush to clean this filter. We're also going to clean the filter disc. The filter discs are easy to clean and you can do it by hand. Step 9 is storage. If you're not going to be using the rig for a few days, or maybe you're not going to use it for the rest of the winter, you can simply leave these disassembled. Do not put them back on the micron filter. It'll allow the system to air out. Step 10. Before your next shower, you are going to want to reinsert the micron filter to the actual housing. And there is a black gasket that goes around the edge here. That's going to create that seal and allow us to get proper suction for the core unit so that you're ready for the next shower.